the channel. I just got home from work. I'm looking like a news anchor. I've been a little bit distant for about 2 weeks now, only because my mom came for 1 week, and then the week after I kind of dealt with the withdrawal of her not being here anymore and not coming home to like cooked meals. So but I am back and I really need to get back into the grind of things. So a couple weeks ago I did a poll on my Instagram asking you guys if you'd like to see a little mini haul of some of the things that I got from my apartment. That's been a while and I've got a few more stuff. So in this video it's like a collective haul of all the things that I've gotten from my apartment that hasn't been shown in a vlog. Some of the clips that I do have in this video, it was like back when I was a child I recorded those footage, so my video probably won't be as organized, but I'll leave every detail I can in the description. Either way, I just want to give you that little so hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to bust a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And you know, if you want to know whenever I post a new video, you can also click the post notification bell because that's free too. So yeah, catch you in the next one, guys. So the first place I went for decor shopping was HomeSense because I had a gift card. I found this amazingly fluffy carpet for about $30. I was just like rubbing my feet on it for a good half an hour.
It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die! It's so fluffy!
Next up, the one-stop shop Ikea, which I pretty much got most of everything in my living room. First, I picked up this carpet. I don't even know how you pronounce it. Whatever. It was black and white, and this retailed for about like $60. And then I also picked up those 3 pillowcases that retail for $5 each. Definitely had to get myself a full-length mirror. This one for $70. It's a wall mirror, but I just left it on the floor and just decorated with pepper lights. I had an empty space in the closet area, so I also picked up a shelving unit from Ikea and just stacked like paper towels and stuff. There's a lot of other things on there now because yeah. Okay, now to the exciting stuff. I also picked up a desk from Ikea. I think this is called the Mink desk. This small one is for $60. I wanted a longer one, but it wouldn't fit in the space. But I got a few gadgets. I got a mouse as well as a mouse pad, which was actually DIY. Just to show you quickly, I just got like a mouse pad from work that wasn't used, painted it over, and then taped it into like a diamond design, and then later spray painted it. After it dried, I just removed the tape, and then I was just left with white and gold design on a mouse pad, which was just like isn't it just gorgeous? Anyways, for the mouse, I actually got from Amazon. This one I got it for $17.89. It's a Bluetooth mouse, so it automatically connects to my computer. Also picked up a keyboard because it's easier. This I picked up for $60, but it actually retails for $79 on Best Buy and Staples. Next up is a USB hub, which I edit and I have a lot of things connected to my computer, so it just made sense to get one, and this one lights up in the dark. Now the next item might be the coolest gadget I actually got, which was alarm clock, but it's also mirrored and it lights up, and this one I got for $28. It's just like seriously the cutest thing. I also picked up this diffuser. It's called Pipley diffuser for $43, and I love lavender essential oil. It really just calms my nerves, and this one actually changes colors and you have different modes, so this was definitely a good purchase for me and it works perfectly so far. Continuing with the theme of light, I also picked up a LED strip. This is actually my third one because the first 2 I had didn't work properly, but this one you can change into different colors, and I just love that it adds to the aesthetic of my apartment. So that's it for my apartment haul. Whatever you've seen in this video that I failed to mention will probably be mentioned in another video. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to bust a like and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye!